What up, fellas? We're gonna go sell Peacock Ice Pops. Yeah, Peacock Ice Pops, however. This is what I'm dressed up as. Here we go. We're selling blue ones. They look like little amucks from the show Miraculous. Imagine if Natalie were to come by and she'll see something like this. Oh, that would be interesting. We're just selling little amucks. And then purple. Alright. Another amok is coming up. And I used white instead. It's like a feather changing into an amok. He will camouflage it. No! That's not how it's done! They use, purple. Go like that! Imagine how, Natalie were to show up to see something like this. Oh, that would be awesome! Like, Natalie, however, would be interested in this. That explains why. So, a little amok here. And you know how, my cat is actually a show-off in front of me? That's because my cat is born that way. Just by standing on the tables. Playing on the chairs. You know how my cat is. Here's a little something by me. the tip jar is already full. There's that Alberto bandana. And I think it is. Closing it up. Oh yeah, I do see Hugo and Alberto!